If you want to make a beautiful collage in Gimp, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can build a clean, professional looking collage without getting lost in the tools. We'll set up a high resolution canvas, import your photos the right way, arrange them neatly, and then use blending and opacity to give your collage a polished final look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump into Gimp and get started. The first thing you want to do is create a high resolution canvas. This is important because a beautiful collage should look sharp, whether you're sharing it online or printing it later. So go up to File, then click New. When the new image window opens, you can change the dimensions to suit your project. If you're making something for print, a size like 11 by 14 inches or 16 by 20 inches works really well. If you're creating a collage for digital use, you can use something like 3000 by 2000 pixels. Now click Advanced Options. Here, set the X and Y resolution to 300 pixels per inch. That gives you high quality sharpness and helps keep your images from looking blurry or pixelated. After that, choose your background fill. White or light gray usually works best because it gives your collage a clean base and helps your photos stand out. Once everything looks right, click OK, and your new canvas will be created. Now that your canvas is ready, the next step is to import your photos as layers. This is really important because you do not want to open each image separately. Instead, you want all of your photos stacked inside the same project so you can arrange them freely. To do that, go to File, then choose Open as Layers. Select all the photos you want to use in your collage and click Open. As soon as they load, you'll see each photo appear in the Layers panel stacked on top of each other. This makes it easy to move, resize, and edit each image independently. If you want to focus on just one photo at a time, you can click the eye icon next to the other layers to hide them temporarily. That way, you can keep your workspace clean while you build the layout. Next, it's time to arrange and resize your photos. For this, use the Unified Transform tool. This tool is great because it lets you adjust size, rotate, and skew your images all in one place. When you select a photo, click on it once to create your first handle. Then click in another spot to create a second handle. These two handles can be used to change the size and orientation of the image. If you want to take it a step further, you can create a third handle, which allows you to skew the image. That's really useful if you want a more dynamic collage layout instead of everything looking too straight and rigid. And if you ever add a handle by mistake, just hold Control and click it to remove it. This makes it much easier to fine-tune the composition until everything feels balanced. As you arrange the photos, try to think about spacing, overlap, and visual flow. A beautiful collage usually looks best when the images have a clear structure but still feel creative and natural. You can place some images larger than others to create emphasis and let certain photos overlap slightly to add depth. Keep adjusting until the collage looks visually balanced from left to right and top to bottom. Once your layout is in place, you can make the collage even more stylish by changing the layer blend mode. Go to the blend mode drop-down at the top of the layers panel and switch it from normal to something like overlay, soft light, or color. Each of these blend modes creates a different effect, and they can help your collage feel more artistic and cohesive. If the effect becomes too strong, lower the opacity slider in the same area. Reducing opacity can help the layers mix more naturally and prevent any one image from overpowering the others. This is one of the easiest ways to give your collage a softer, more professional finish. At this point, you can continue refining the design by moving layers up or down, resizing photos, and experimenting with different blend modes until everything looks just right. The goal is to make the collage feel intentional and polished, not random. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in the final result, and that's how you make a beautiful collage in Gimp. With a high-resolution canvas, properly imported layers, smart use of the Unified Transform tool, and the right blend settings, you can create something that looks clean, creative, and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Gimp tips, design tutorials, and beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.